Hey guys, welcome back to Mindy's Monthly Marketing Tips. Hey guys, welcome back to Mindy's Monthly Marketing Tips. This is Starfish's once a month segment where I talk about marketing tips, tricks, and just general marketing advice to help you grow your business's online presence. In today's digital age, establishing a strong online presence is crucial for businesses seeking to thrive and succeed. Two essential strategies that contribute to online visibility are search engine optimization, known as SEO, and search engine marketing, known as SEM. While both methods aim to increase a website's visibility on search engines, they offer different approaches, benefits, and considerations. In this video, we'll delve into the nuances of SEO and SEM, highlighting their differences and providing insights for businesses to make informed decisions. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. We've made it our mission to give business owners the resources they need to help their businesses thrive. In each video, we delve deeper into another facet of online marketing and provide practical insights and actionable strategies that can make a real difference in your online presence. From mastering the art of SEO to harnessing the power of social media, our content is designed to empower you with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the ever-evolving digital landscape. So, search engine optimization, also known as SEO, refers to a set of practices aimed at optimizing a website's content, structure, and technical aspects to rank higher in an organic search results. SEO comprises of three main components: on-page optimization, off-page optimization, and technical SEO. The benefits of SEO include organic, long-term traffic, cost effectiveness, and building credibility and trust with users. However, SEO has its limitations, such as time-consuming results, susceptibility to algorithm changes, and dependency on consistency producing high-quality content. Search engine marketing, known as SEM, on the other hand, involves paid strategies to gain immediate visibility on search engines. The primary components of SEM include pay-per-click, also known as PPC advertising, keyword research and targeting, and ad copy creation. SEM is great because it offers immediate results, precise audience targeting, and measurable return on investment through analytics. Nonetheless, SEM also has limitations, including cost implications, potential ad fatigue, and since some people are wary of ads, a perception of lower credibility compared to organic search results. When comparing SEO and SEM, various factors come into play. Cost-wise, SEO requires a long-term investment and provides free organic traffic, while SEM incurs immediate expenses through paid clicks. Time considerations highlight SEO's gradual growth versus SEM's immediate visibility. SEM offers precise audience targeting, whereas SEO's reach is much broader. SEO's organic results builds credibility and trust, while SEM's ads are perceived cautiously. Additionally, SEM allows for better tracking and measurement of ROI, unlike the indirect tracking of SEO success. Making the right choice between SEO and SEM requires assessing multiple factors: business goals, budget constraints, desired time frame for results, industry competition, and balance between short-term gains and long-term sustainability all play crucial roles. Additionally, considerations related to branding and credibility should influence the decision-making process. In today's dynamic digital landscape, the question of whether to invest in SEO or SEM has evolved more into a strategic consideration of how and when to integrate both approaches. Rather than viewing them as competing options, businesses stand to benefit by recognizing the unique advantages that each strategy brings to the table. SEO provides the long-term foundation for organic growth, establishing a strong online presence and enhancing brand credibility over time. On the other hand, SEM offers immediate visibility and ensures swift access to target audiences and quick results. By embracing both strategies, businesses can achieve a comprehensive online marketing ecosystem that maximizes reach, engagement, and conversion potential. The emphasis shifts from an either-or mindset to a holistic approach that leverages the strengths of both SEO and SEM, creating a more potent and sustainable competitive edge. The key lies in understanding how to synchronize these strategies effectively, based on the specific goals, budgets, and timeline of each business. To make an informed decision between SEO and SEM, businesses must conduct a comprehensive analysis. This involves aligning strategies with business goals, evaluating available resources such as budget, time, and manpower, and considering the optimal balance between short-term and long-term gains. If you're still a bit lost, guidance from digital marketing experts can provide valuable insights tailored to specific needs of your business. If this is you, click the link in the description to set up a free consultation with our SEO experts. But to conclude, it's evident that these strategies are not mutually exclusive choices, but rather complementary forces that can propel businesses towards digital success. Embracing the dynamic interplay between organic growth and immediate visibility is the hallmark of a forward-thinking approach. The ever-evolving digital landscape demands an adaptable mindset where businesses recognize that the question isn't merely about investing in one or the other, but rather about harnessing the power of both strategies in harmony. But remember, every business is unique, so the perfect balance of SEO to SEM will also be unique. If you have any questions regarding what you should do as a business owner, feel free to leave a comment down below or click the link in the description. Also, if you like this content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. And with that, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.